Hey guys, so today I'm out in the Grand Etang forest. Me and some friends, we're going out to Seven Sisters. No one's paying attention to me. But so we're headed out to the waterfalls now. We're on our hike down. And so once we're down there, we'll show you a little bit more because it's the rainy season and it's like very slick right now. And I don't want to like twist my ankle, break my wrist, etc., etc. So, but I'll show you the walk down, but I need to like focus on where I'm stepping first. Okay, so we've made it here, Seven Sisters. Ow, I just hit my toe. So I have another video with my mom here, but I'm redoing it like a only Seven Sisters type video. So now we're here, we're about to go on down. I'm so out of breath. We're gonna go swimming. We brought snacks. So yeah, we're here. So we're just walking over here now. It's like not hot back in here. I guess just because it's like high up in the mountains, it's very shaded, so it's very nice, you know, compared to like the schools down in the valley and it's extremely hot. So it's nice to, you know, like have a change of scenery and it's cooler. So yeah. Yep. Okay, so we've made it in this little area over by the waterfall. So we're about to set up camp here and just chill and get in the water for a bit. My legs. Water? It's fresh water. I don't know where that's open here. I don't know.
Oh, I guess it's from the.
My legs are trembling. I'm so out of shape and my knees feel weak. I'm sweating. Can you see them shaking?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I'm not trying to do.
Oh no.
Brittney.
Oh no.
So me and Alex are about to go try to jump. And not try, there's somebody to show us. So Kayla and Jenny are staying down here to record it. And I'm taking you up with my waterproof pouch to show you the trail up. Because I've been down here 3 times now. And I've been wanting to do this. And I haven't got the chance, so here we go now. Yeah, now it does. Okay, well, obviously, as you see, as I was climbing up that hill, you couldn't see, I could not record up there. And so we ended up like going through like 5 or 6 well, 5, because this is 6 and that's 7 back there. We ended up going through 5 waterfalls, but it was just like so intense. I could not record. Like the water is very strong. You're constantly deeping and diving and you have to swim. But anyways, after about 15 minutes, I finally jumped. Alex jumped right away. But so yeah, my butt doesn't hurt anymore. And so now we're just gonna chill and probably head back up soon. Okay, we're on the way back up. And yeah, you know, I really just wanted to come to jump off that waterfall, and now that I've done it, I probably never have to do it again. I would do it if my family came back, but it was a fair share. I really wish I could have recorded the whole thing up there, and y'all saw like how the river almost swept me away, and I was holding on to Tour Dude's neck. But I mean, it was fun. My legs are numb because I'm like so out of shape, and when I hit the water, I guess I hit my butt and it hurt a lot, but it doesn't hurt anymore. But so we're headed back. That was fun. Nice adventure time. Up here, while we're up near Seven Sisters, we're up in Grenada, and so we're trying to see if they can get the Mona monkeys to come up here. So I don't know, we're gonna see. Oh, he's calling for them, but we don't know if they're gonna come or not.
Oh. Come on, stand up here.
Oh.
Put it on the shoulder, eh?
Oh, okay.
Alright. Stand up. Ah. Hold that. Don't give me, man.
Don't. Sorry.
Ah.
I have it on my phone cable.
Alright. Put your hand like that. Put your hand like that.
He's so heavy.
It's heavier than you think, for sure.
You want to hold him, Jenny?
I know.
He's so gentle.
Yeah.
Star boy.
What's the other one's name that just ran over there?
Poser.
Pooza?
Yeah.
Oh, Poser.
He's just chilling.
Mm-hmm. How many monkeys are here?
Plenty.
Oh, but these are just the ones that come.
Yeah.
Most
More close.
Some are too scared to come out and stuff.
Star boy. Ooh, he's so cute. Ooh, look at that pose. Look at that pose.
He said, I see more apples. So those are wild monkeys, the Mona monkeys, and so he said there's about 20 that aren't afraid to come near people and they let them eat, but like those aren't captive, no one takes them home, they're not on a chain, and that's the whole thing. He has to call because they come in from the rainforest, but there is a population that you know is here. Obviously they just don't come out, so that was cool. I haven't got to actually see one up close. We just stopped in here to get bananas. Although it is a bar.
Only have cards and coins.
I'm the monkey now.
Can I
Thank you.
Welcome.
We're gonna eat bananas. Yes. It's good. I'm excited.
See, I have locals who follow me here in Grenada, and they always say, why don't I try the local fruit? Here I am trying this tiny banana, because bananas where I'm from are not this small. This one tastes different too. It's like sweeter. I don't know how to describe it, but it's good. And I need to make sure my muscles don't cramp down. But
Yeah. I'm gonna crush these.
okay, for real now. Oh, my lip. I'm ending this video here. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Look out for new videos. Watch my old videos. All that jazz. Until next time.